I hereby convict the first, second.
Kenya's High Court is sentencing 4 police officers to prison, found guilty of the manslaughter of Alexander Monson, the son of a British aristocrat who was found dead in a police cell in 2012, marking the end of a high-profile case that has shone a spotlight on police brutality in Kenya. Naftali Chuge, Charles Wungombe Muyiri, Baraka Buluma and John Pamba was sentenced to jail terms of between 15 to 9 years, although several years were suspended for each. The 4 policemen hung their heads after the verdict was announced, while one cried quietly. Judge Eric Ogola.
That while the prosecution has not proved the charge of murder, the prosecution has proved that the deceased died out of culpable negligence of the first, second, third, and fourth accused persons who failed to provide medical care for the deceased, leading to his death from the injuries he sustained at the Diani police station.
28-year-old Monson was found dead after being arrested for what police said was smoking cannabis during a night out in Diani near Mombasa on Kenya's coast. Monson was the son of Nicholas, the 12th Baron Monson, and heir to a family estate in Lincolnshire in eastern England. The elder Monson was also in the courtroom and nodded slowly as the verdicts were announced. His mother Hilary outside the courtroom.
Delays, no shows, adjournments. Then in the inquest, the magistrate was posted before the case was finished. So we had to go to the High Court to appeal to get him back. And then he did indeed come back and hear the rest of it. Yes.
Justice.
Very relieved, yes, very relieved. And there is justice.
Yeah,
yes.
there is justice at the end.
Yeah, there is justice. And so the system is
system
happily
works,
yes.
2 reports by government pathologists seen by Reuters at the time concluded that Monson had died after suffering a traumatic blow to the head. An inquest found that there had been attempts to cover up the incident and threats against witnesses.